Hello everyone. Recently I shared a video about how I skimmed the wall in our dining room. Now we have the dining room open to the kitchen, I also wanted to add some character to these cupboard doors to make them shaker style to match the rest of the kitchen and generally give them some TLC. This was an easy DIY job. I think anyone can do it, so I hope it inspires you. So going back in time now, I am working on the wall and I've taken off the doors ready to add some shaker panels. I measured each door and got these pieces of pre-cut trim from B&Q. I will include a link in the description box below. Once I'd cut them, I used no more nails to stick on the pieces of trim and clamp them down until they were dry. So I'm just going through and painting all of the outside frame of the doors. The doors are also getting painted. I'm using the Farrow Ball Hardwick White, which I'm loving. But what I'm finding with this project, as often happens, is that it's growing arms and legs. So I'm painting this, I'm taking everything out of the cupboard as well, cleaning it all, cleaning the cupboard, decluttering, and then just looking at the inside, I think, no, it needs a little bit of attention. So I'm just going for white. I'm going to paint the back, the walls, the inside here, or white. I'm going to do the actual shelf in satin so I can easily clean it all once it's done, and then put everything back. So yeah, the project just keeps growing and growing. Now onto the painting, and it actually took at least a couple of coats to get a really good depth of colour. When the panels were dry, I caulked all the seams and then I gave each door a coat of paint. I then decided to add the hinges so that I could finish painting the doors once they were fitted. I used some really nice, simple, brushed satin hinges to tidy them up. Here I am just trying to line up the handles, and I'm despairing because I've got 4 more doors to do. My little tip here is to measure your doors for the handles and then pop a little dot of blue tack where you intend to drill your holes. Then stand back and look, because you might need to adjust them a little bit, by eye before you finally commit. I'm using solid pine handles stained to dark oak to match the rest of the kitchen. So I repeated all these tasks on the other doors. I caulked them all, painted the doors, and then added the new handles. I'm really loving these cupboards now. I love the subtle colour difference, the newly added character, and the fact that I've spent time cleaning them up and painting them inside and out to get a really nice finish. If you think this is a DIY that you might try, leave me a comment and say hello. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!